Assalamualaikum and good afternoon everyone. My name is Ahmad Amirul Amin bin Azmi. My number matrix is 06DET25F1138.
My name Muhammad Adam Arif bin Muhammad Tadasha. My number register is 06DET 25F1144.
My name is Muhammad Nazrul bin Muhammad Nasir. My number matrix 06DET 25F1132.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Arizuddin bin Karim Syaril. My number matrix 06DET25F1150. Okay, dan ada pula.
Sekian terima kasih.
Sekian terima kasih dari tim kami.
So hello guys, I want to talk about the item that we use in this video. So number one is DC power supply, and number two is resistor box, and number three is a power cable, and number four is connector cable, and number five is analog multimeter and test probe. Alright.